Come test drive the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.